In this video we will learn how to create an online trading website. You don't need to know any programming language to create this website, because I will teach step by step how to create an online trading website. You can earn unlimited money by creating this website and build an online-based company. Users can easily sign up on the website. Also, user can log in. As an example, I will now log into an account. Now you can see a user account dashboard. They can trading in different ways. Also, users can earn by trading. Users can make deposits on your website using various international payment gateways. Also, users can withdraw their earned money. Users can also earn commission by sharing referrals. You get the most powerful admin panel to control the website. You can control and change all the functionality of the website through the admin panel. You can control users through admin panel. Also, you will get many necessary functionalities in your admin panel. For example, you can control the trading through the admin panel. You can easily change the design of the website through your admin panel. To create an online trading website, you need to purchase a PHP script. Check the video description. I will give the discount link of this PHP script in the video description. You can create professional online trading website by purchasing this PHP script. Then you can earn unlimited money online by creating a trading website. Now domain hosting is required to install these PHP script. You can purchase professional domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description. I will give the discount link of Hostinger website in the video description. I have already purchased the domain hosting, so I will log in the account now. Now first we will change the PHP version. Now we will select PHP 7.3 version. Then click on Update button. Now click on File Manager to upload the source code. Then we will click on Public HTML folder. After purchasing the source code, we can download a zip file and license PDF file. Now we will extract this zip file. Then convert this folder to zip file. Now we need to upload this zip file. Now we will unarchive this zip file. We now need to choose a folder name. Then we will delete this zip file. Now we will select all these files. Then submit to public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain in the browser. Now enter the /install. Then we need to add some files permissions. Then we will proceed to the next step by clicking the recheck button. Now we have to do the purchase verification. Now we need to add the database. For this we need to create a database. We must create the MySQL database. First, we need to enter the database name. Then we will enter the database username. Now we will generate the password. Then add this password to the website. Then we will click on Create button. A database is created. Now we will add this database information to the website. Now we have to enter admin email. Then we will click on Install Now button. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now we will delete the install file. Now our website is ready. So let's now log in to the admin panel. Now we have to log in with default password of admin. Now we need to set up cron jobs in hosting panel. Our cron jobs setup is complete. We will now change the admin panel password. Now we can customize the functionality of the website through the admin panel. In this video we learn how to create an online trading website. If you have any questions about this video, please comment or email us directly. If you are a new visitor to our channel, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much watching this full video.